Take a ride in the 2017 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning, alloy wheels, hands-free link system, cruise control, passenger airbag, MP3 player, trip computer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.